Success and toxic friends don't mix. I will tell you in this video how to identify if your relationship with your friends is toxic. How do you choose your friends? How do you combine success with your friends to motivate you? I'm Mr. Mace. Life is Mace. For me, if your friends have ordinary thinking, you will become ordinary too, or maybe even less than them. Therefore, the more you change from being ordinary, the greater you become. Just so you know, I used to be with my friends before, playing and doing crazy things. But over time, many things changed to make me wake up from my negligence and search for a high quality friend. If you wanna know how to tell if your friends are toxic or not, I will tell you, but not now, later. Because before that, I want to share with you a secret, the maze of life. The relationship between success and your friend is very distant, but you can make it work for you. I have a trick that I'll give you to navigate out of this maze, to start improving yourself and shorten a long journey. First, this condition must be met by your friends to help you reach your goals as quickly as possible. These conditions are discipline, and honestly, nothing can stop them. If this condition are met, then you are among the 9% of people in the world who have friends like that. As I told you in the previous video, your friends is indeed a blessing. By the way, click on it if you want, but I promise you, you will benefit from it, because this type of friends can support you in all situations, just as I'm doing with you now. It will never make you feel weak, and that in itself will make you want to compete with them day after day. This will bring you closer to your goals. Share the video with your friends after you finish watching and tell them, let's go towards success. We will return to the point, how do you choose your friends? Your friends whom you find distance in himself from frivolous and pointless celebrations that are of no benefit. With this, he has reached 60%, and when you find him exercising, reading books, and improving himself day after day, he has completed 90%. And the question that's now in your mind is, where is the remaining 10%? I will tell you about it later. Now, let's return to the most important part. How do I know if someone is toxic or not? Okay, I will tell you, but with two conditions. The first is to be honest with yourself, and the second is to make a decision to distance yourself from them if you find there's characters. And the second condition is to make sure you're following me, because I'm confident and promise you that you won't regret it. If you notice that he wastes a lot of time on trivial things like video games or going out without purpose, you must run away from this person, not just distance yourself. Simply put, when you are focusing your work, he will come and usually ruin your plan. This is what steers you away from your goal. So the choice is yours, your goals or your toxic friends. Secondly, if you find him addicted to dopamine, and if you don't know what is dopamine, I will tell you with every shortcut. Dopamine is what is created in the brain after obtaining equivalent, and this make you feel happy for a little time, such as watching short clips, films, or TikTok content, or a lot of instant pleasure. If you want me to talk about it in a video, tell me in the comments. Thirdly, he should always be negative moodily, and only talk about negative and problems, without thinking of new ideas to solve his issues. Be aware that if there is a room with 100 people, and even if there is just one person negative, he can affect the remaining 99 people in the room. Negativity is the disease with no cure. Anyway, I will be honest with you. The decision to distance yourself from a toxic friend is tough decision. But do you know what is even tough? The toughest things is not reaching your goals. The hard things is both of you not succeeding. That is what is truly difficult. So focus on yourself first, and after that, you can help him if you want. I'm here to help you change your life. Just as I have changed mine, I will show you how you change your life. Financially, mentally, and physically. I'm here the master of the maze of life. I'm with you anytime you want. If you like this video, share with your friend, follow me for more. Thank you.